friends, welcome to Study Assistant. So, in this video, we are going to see how to solve fraction, multiplication and division. In our previous video, we taught how to add and subtract. This is the second series which will teach how to do multiplication and division. So now, let's start. So first, we'll see multiplication. So our first sum is 3 by 6 into 8 by 16. One common thing which everyone should remember in fraction, that in fraction we should not take out the LCM of the denominators. As in addition and subtraction we took out the LCM, but here we should not. I'll show you how to solve a simple fraction. Here we have the sum as 3 by 6 and 8 by 16. So now we have to solve the sum. So I'll show. So first we write the fraction as it is, 3 by 6 into 8 by 16. So as I said, in fraction we don't take out the LCMs. So for solving the multiplication of fraction, we have a rule. So the rule is we can cut fractions. Cut is making it short. Using the rule up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. It's a little confusing, I'll show. So if there is a fraction, so for example, we have a sum to solve of multiplication, 28 by 7 into 20 by 2. This is the fraction which we have to solve. So solving this fraction, what we'll do is cut and cut, up and down, up and down. What does that mean? We can cut fractions only up and down, up and down. If it's not cutting like this, we have to cut it diagonally. In short, we cannot cut the numerator, nor we can cut the denominator. So here, cut and cut. So first we see whether we can cut a full fraction. Can we cut it? 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. So we can cut it. 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. So now leftover is 4 into 20 by 2. 1, it means the same. So here we can cut 2 and 4. So 2, 1, 2, 2. 2 into 20 is equal to 40. So it is like this. So for solving fractions, we can cut only up and down or slanting. For solving fractions, we can cut only up and down. We cannot cut fractions which are in the same line. So this is the way to solve or cut a fraction. So now let's go back to our sum. So here's the sum 3 by 6 into 8 by 16. So as I said, we have to see whether we can cut fractions, different fractions. So this 3 by 6 is one fraction, 8 by 16 is one fraction. So 3 by 6, we can cut it. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. We cut this. Can we cut 8 by 16? Yes, both go. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So now leftover is 1 by 2 by cutting into 1 by 2. Can we cut? Is there anything? First we see here 1 and 2 we cannot cut. 1 and 2 we cannot cut. Here 2 and 1 diagonally we cannot cut. Here we cannot cut. So this first we reduce into a lowest term. So now after this not cutting, the second step will be normally multiplying. So for multiplication, we will multiply the denominator with the numerator with the numerator. That is 1 into 1 is 1. Denominator into denominator, 2 into 2, 4. So the answer of 3 by 6 into 8 by 16 is 1 by 4. Now let's see some more sums to understand better. So our second sum is 1 3 by 6, which is a mixed fraction, into 4 by 8. So one more thing let me tell you, we cannot multiply or divide a mixed fraction as we do it in addition and subtraction. What do? We do convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So we'll do the same for multiplication and division. So here 1/3/6 is equal to, as I taught you before, for getting it into improper fraction, denominator into the whole number plus the numerator. So 6 into 1 is 6 plus 3 9 with the same denominator 6. So rewrite it, 9/6 into 4/8. So now we will see how can we cut it. So let's see the first fraction first. 9/6. Can we cut it? Yes, it goes in the 3 table. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Can we cut 4 and 8? Yes, we can. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what do we get? We get, write out the remainders, 3/2 into 1/2. So can we cut any more else? Like, can we cut here 3 and 2? No, we cannot. 2 and 1? No, we cannot. So after it's into the lowest form, we directly multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator, which is nothing but 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 3/4 is the answer. Now let's see one more sum. So our next sum is 2/4/5, where it's a mixed fraction, and 7 1/3. As you know that we cannot add, subtract, multiply and divide mixed fraction. So we have to convert it into an improper fraction. So let's convert. 2/4/5. How to convert? Denominator into the whole number plus the numerator. So 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. And we write the denominator 5. Same. 7 1/3. Denominator into the whole number plus the numerator. 7 into 3 21. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. And this 3. So now let's rewrite it. 14/5 into 22/3. So now let's see whether we can cut and make it into the shortest form. First we take the first fraction, 14/5. We cannot cut it and it doesn't go in any common table. Second, 22/3. We cannot cut it because it doesn't go in some common table. So here we don't have anything to cut. So when we don't have anything to cut, we have to straight away go multiply. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 14 into 22, let's solve. 22 into 14, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. On adding, we get 308. So 14 into 22 is 308. Write it here. So we multiplied numerator with the numerator. Next, for the denominator, multiply the denominator with the denominator, which is 5 into 3, which is equal to 50. Can we cut 308/15 into a shortest form? No, we cannot. So the answer of 2/4/5 into 7 1/3 is equal to 308/15. So this was all about multiplication. Now let's see how to do division. So this is a sum for division. Our first sum, 3/6 into 8/16. So now let's see how to carry out division with fractions. So we cannot, let me tell you one thing, we cannot divide fractions as we do, right? 8/2, 2 4s are 8, so -8, 0. We get this. We cannot do fractions like that. For fractions division, we have to convert the division symbol into multiplication. How to do that? Let me show you. So here's a sum, 3/6 into 8 divided by 8/16. So what do? We write the first fraction every time the same. 3/6, so we write 3/6. This division sign, we change it into multiplication sign. But this 8/16 will be turned reverse. That means 8/16 will be written as 16/8. So for converting a division of fraction into multiplication, we have to write the first term as same, convert the division sign into multiplication sign and reverse the second fraction, that is 8 by 16, it will be written as 16 by 8. Now as we solve fractions, first cut and cut, up and down and then multiply it. If we want to, we do that. So we'll do the same here. So let's see the first fraction. The first fraction is 3 by 6. Can we cut 3 by 6 into shorter terms? Yes, we can. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Now we have 16 by 8, our second thing. We can. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So what's left? 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. So first we cut up and down a normal fraction. So after doing that, we have to see diagonally. There is this and this. So 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. When we see here, can we cut 1 and 1? It's already shortest. But we can cut 2 and 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. So it is 1 into 1. This is the fraction. When we multiply 1 into 1, we get it as 1. 1 into 1, we get it as 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Because it's the same denominator, it doesn't change. So this was the first sum. Now let's see one more sum. So this is our second sum. 1 3 by 6 divided by 4 by 8. As I said you before, we cannot add, subtract, multiply or divide a mixed fraction. So for carrying out these arithmetic things, we have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So now 1 3 by 6, how to convert? Denominator into whole number plus numerator. 6 into 1 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, which is equal to 9 by 6. So now write the whole sum. 9 by 6 divided by 4 by 8. So for carrying out division of fraction, we have to convert the division symbol into multiplication. How do we do that? Write the first term as it is, 9 by 6. Change the division symbol into multiplication and reverse the second term, that is 4 by 8 will be written as 8 by 4. So now we get a multiplication. The sum. So to multiply, first see the first term, 9 by 6. Can we cut short 9 by 6? Yes, we can do. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Now see the second one, 8 by 4. Can we cut short it? Yes, we can. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So rewrite it. 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So first we saw up and down. Now we have to see diagonally. So first let's see. 3 and 1 this side. Can we cut short it? No. Can we cut short 2 and 2? Yes, we can. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So now we cannot cut anything else. Just rewrite it once. 3 by 1 into 1 by 1. So now we cannot cut anything else. So normally multiply it. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 3 into 1 is 3 and 1 into 1 is 1. 3 by 1, as I said before, anything with denominator 1 is equal to same, which is equal to 3. So this is a way to solve division. Now let's see what. So our third sum is 2 4 by 5 divided by 7 1 by 3. Both of them are mixed fractions, and as you know, we cannot add, subtract, multiply and divide mixed fractions. So we have to convert it into an improper fraction. 2 4 by 5. 5 into 2 plus 4. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. With the same denominator, 5. 7 1 by 3. 3 into 7 plus 1. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So 22 by 3. So now we got it into improper fractions. Now rewrite it. 14 by by 22 by 3. So as I said, we cannot divide fractions as it is. So we have to convert this sign into multiplication. So for doing that, write the first term 14 by 5. Convert the division sign into multiplication and reverse the term. So this 22 by 3 will become 3 by 22. I'll explain it to you in short. When we convert the division sign into multiplication, automatically the next term's number should be reversed. So now we get 14 by 5 into 3 by 22. Let's see the first term, 14 by 5. Does it come in any common table? No, it not. So we cannot cut short it. Second term, 3 by 22. Does it come in any common table? No, it doesn't. So here we cannot cut anything like this. Now let's see in the diagonal bit. 14 and 22. Can we cut it? Yes, we can. Both go in the 2 table. So 2 sevens are 14. 2 11s are 22. Now let's see this way. 5 and 3. Whether can we cut anything? No, we cannot. So rewrite it. 7 by 5 into 3 by 11. So for multiplying the fractions, if we cannot cut anything, at last multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 7 into 3 is 21 and 5 into 11 is 55. So the answer of 2 4 by 5 divided by 7 1 by 3 is 21 by 55. This was all about multiplication and division of fractions. In our next video, we'll be showing on how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions to mixed, and representing fractions on a number line. So for more videos, stay tuned to our channel. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.